छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, ओडिशा, मध्य प्रदेश, ट्राइबल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स. That is why we call them Vanvasis, and that is why we call them that they precede us in everything. Because they have always been ones who have experimented, who have lived with nature, and who have passed on their ancient wisdom to us. That is why they are most important, and that is why these sites are there. ठीक. तो आज जो कोई वनवासी को ट्राइब कह करके उन्हें अलग दुत्कार देता है, अलग कर देता है, वो कितनी भूल में है आप समझिए. They are the, I should not say they are tribals, I should not say they are indigenous people, क्योंकि वो indigenous है तो हम क्या है, फिर वो कहेंगे तुम मार रहे हो ना. हम भी indigenous है, वो भी indigenous है, बस they were living in these hot spots of civilization. They were the first people who passed on the wisdom of nature to us. ठीक. हाँ. But most of the ठीक. This is primarily due to the unique geo-environmental setting which favored the evolution of early human culture in the Central Indian Plateau. Just stop there. What they are saying, this is primarily due to its unique geo-environmental settings which favored the evolution of early human culture in Central Indian Plateau. Even today, when you talk about Central Indian Plateau, when you talk about Vindhya, Satpura, Kaimur ranges, when you talk about Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha or Jharkhand, these are today, in your mind, they are Pichhade Rajya, Bimaru Rajya, because they are tribal districts. But what is the truth? They are the first places of civilization. They are the first places, torch bearers of the culture. And you can see here, these are the places जहां पर ये पुराने rock art sites हो रहे हैं, जहां पर ये पुराने sites हैं. Stop demeaning them. It is time you must acknowledge that they are the torch bearers of your civilization. And it will only happen when you will know the history. It's time that you come out of that Macaulayan mindset and you acknowledge that these are your people, our people. They are not indigenous, we are not foreign. They are not tribal, we are not suited. कहने वाला, ठीक? They are our people. फिर मुंह में क्यों नहीं जा रहा बे? क्या टाइम हो रहा भाई? क्या बात कर रहा हूँ? आपको समय नहीं पता चल रहा? The mountainous region of Vindhya and Satpura ranges, which confine the central Narmada Valley where stone and humans flourish, have the largest number of rock art sites. समझिए, when you are writing an essay on FRA, Forest Right Act, when you are writing an essay on Vanvasis, when you are writing an essay on developmental disparities, when you are writing an essay on cultural deprivation, quote this. That today the areas, the states, the districts which are called aspirational in nature, they are the torch bearers of your culture and civilization. They are the oldest districts. It's time you give them the sense of belonging. It's time to combat left-wing extremism and all kind of extremist ideology by telling them this, that you are the torch bearer of our civilization. Please have that baton in your hand It is you who have always been the torchbearer. Please lead us India way. It is time to pass on the torch to them so that this alienation, this ideological alienation, remember the internal security debate, which is leading them into a developmental crisis, which is leading them into a crisis of confidence. This must be bridged by passing, giving them their due, by giving them back the torch of your civilization so that India can achieve SDG 2030 agenda, India way, which is essentially वनवासी way. ठीक, ध्यान रखिए, डिबेट एसडीजी वाली आगे. फिर कितना बचा है इसमें?